Hi everyone. Hi Panditji. Hi Uttaman. Hi Manisha. Hi Nancy. Hi Kumkum. Hi everyone. How are you all? Hi Sharanya. Hi Amrita. Hi Aditya. Yes Amrita. प्यारे बच्चे आ गए. Hi Manisha. Hi Nancy. Fantastic. Okay. Hi Prithviraj. Come. I am all good. What about you? Hi Jishnu. So hi everyone. This is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. M for multi-talented, L for lion-hearted, and A for ambitious. So here you have MLA Sheetal Chaudhary, and I welcome all my lovely students to our channel Vedantu Commerce. How many percentage is required, Niharika? It varies from school to school. It depends from school to school. Array, what a coincidence, Amrita. So guys, if you are new to our channel or if you want more such informative videos on professions like CA, CS, CMA, then do subscribe our channel right now so that you stay connected with us. So go and subscribe our channel right now if you haven't subscribed it yet. Also, I hope that all of you have marked your attendance. So if you have still not marked your attendance, if you have still not liked the video, then please do show some love and go and hit the like button, go and hit the thumbs up button below this video. Hi Astha, hi Pallavi, hi Ahem. Okay, so this is class 11th and 12th. This is for both of you. And in this session, I am going to tell you that how to secure, the topic is how to clear your CA foundation in first attempt. So the topic for today's session is, maybe I have just a minute. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. So are you all ready for this session? How to crack CA foundation in first attempt. Those who don't know me, let me first tell you my qualifications. So I am graduated from Delhi University with a degree in BCom honors, and I am also a CA aspirant. I am a CA student. I have qualified CA foundation in first attempt. I have qualified CA intermediate in first attempt. So I have qualified both foundation and intermediate in first attempt, and therefore I am here to tell you that how to crack CA foundation in first attempt, what is the right time to join foundation, what is the right time for preparation. So we will be talking about everything in this session. So let's start the session now. Okay. Now, if you want to prepare for CA foundation in class 11th and 12th, then you may go for it, because most of these students, they are not clear. They have doubts that can we do CA in class 11th or 12th. So yes, you can absolutely go for preparation of CPT or foundation in class 11th and 12th. My percentage in class 10th was 80%. I was an average student till class 10, but after class 10th, I don't know what happened to me. I suddenly became a scholar. Maybe I started liking commerce or the subjects. So yes, those who want to do CA right now in class 11th and 12th, you can absolutely go for it. But always remember that the burden will be a little more, because there are some topics which are more advanced than your class 11th and 12th topic, and there will be a totally new subject for you, that will be law in CA foundation. So make sure whenever you are entering into any profession, be it CA or CMA or CS, you are having that determination. क्योंकि अगर आप कोई भी सब्जेक्ट सिर्फ अपने पेरेंट्स के बोलने से कर रहे हो, इफ यू डोंट इंटरनली फील दैट यू शुड डू इट, देन यू शुड नॉट डू इट. अगर आपको नहीं लगता कि आप उस चीज के लिए बने हो तो उसको मत करना. अगर आपको करना है तभी करना. अदरवाइज हम लोग एंटर तो कर जाते हैं प्रोफेशन में. यू विल एंटर इनटू दैट प्रोफेशन बिकॉज योर पेरेंट्स वर सेइंग सो, योर रिलेटिव्स वर सेइंग सो, बट इफ यू डोंट लाइक इट yourself, then you won't be able to do that. And yes, we all are warriors, so yes, you all can fight harder to get the great heights. बेटा कर रहे हैं सीए की प्रिपरेशन, बट अभी थोड़ा टाइम नहीं मिल पाता, लेकिन अब आई एम बैक ऑन ट्रैक. सो will it hamper class 11th and 12th? If you are doing CA, will it affect your 11th and 12th? So answer is absolutely no. 11th and 12th hamper nahi hoga because the subject is almost same. Whatever you are going to learn in 11th and 12th, all those topics will be coming in foundation. जो भी आप 11th and 12th में कर रहे हो, चाहे वो journal entry हो, चाहे वो कंपनीज अकाउंट हो, चाहे वो प्रोप्राइटरशिप हो, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू कम इन योर फाउंडेशन. सो इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग सीए राइट नाउ, देन ऑल्सो यू शुड गिव योर बेस्ट राइट नाउ. अगर आपको अभी सीए नहीं करनी, इफ यू वांट टू डू सीए आफ्टर योर क्लास 12, इन योर क्लास 12, then still you have to give your best in class 11th and 12th. Because if अभी कॉन्सेप्ट समझ नहीं आ रहा ना, तो बाद में सीए में भी समझ नहीं आएगा. सो मेक श्योर दैट योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर क्लियर टू यू. ओके शारण्या, सो हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल नाउ? हाउ यू कैन डू सीए इन क्लास 11th and 12th विद ईज? कैसे आराम से क्लास 11th and 12th में हम सीए कर सकते हैं विदाउट एनी एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन. So let's see that. I always prefer that whenever you are entering into a profession, doing graduation at same time is very important. Because I know कि मैं मतलब experience कर चुकी हूँ. अब आपको पता होगा, for few of the months I have left the CA because I was working in work. I was busy in my job. So उस time पे मैंने CA छोड़ दिया. Now, whenever you are entering into a profession, it takes so much time. CA will take 5 years, and during those 5 years, you may change your mind. आपका mind बदल सकता है. You may want to do something else. So, if you are not having graduation, if you are only doing CA, then you will have no backup. And as Akshay Kumar said, backup का भी backup होना जरूरी है. Bell Bottom movie में कहा था ना उन्होंने कि बैकअप का भी बैकअप होना जरूरी है. सो आप कोई भी चीज कर रहे हो, उसका बैकअप हमेशा आपके पास होना चाहिए कि अगर कल को मैंने ये सीए नहीं करा तो मैं और क्या करूंगा. तो इट इज वेरी कंपल्सरी टू डू ग्रेजुएशन अलोंग विद सीए. कल को कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो आपके पास ग्रेजुएशन की डिग्री तो होगी एटलीस्ट. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो विद ग्रेजुएशन ही करना. बेशक ग्रेजुएशन कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस से कर लेना, बट डू इट. So, nothing is impossible, guys, but again, you should have that determination. आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, अगर आपका मन नहीं है ना, तो no one can help you in that. But Jishnu, if you want to do CA, tell your parents that, because CA is so good than engineering. CA is a different profession. And engineering is totally different. If you want to become CA, that's so great. I respect your opinion, I value it, and I think your parents should do the same. No, CA foundation is not tough, guys. So, first of all, I hope that you all know that foundation was earlier known as CPT. Foundation was 3 to 4 years back, it was known as CPT, Common Proficiency Test. But now it is known as foundation. So, what are the changes made from CPT to foundation? So, name of CPT has been changed to foundation now. The entrance exam CPT, it was multiple based question. जो CPT होता था वो MCQ based होता था, लेकिन now foundation is partially objective, partially MCQ based, and partially it is descriptive. Then earlier you have to register yourself 6 months before the exam, but now on current date you have to register yourself at least 9 months before. आपको 9 महीने पहले registration करना पड़ता है, otherwise you will not be eligible to sit in the exam. So if you want to prepare, if you want to appear in CPT, then if you want to appear in foundation, you have to do the registration before 9 months, and maybe month 31st, this month is the last date for registration. So 31st December is the last date if you want to appear in foundation next year. I'm sorry. And yes, those who are doing graduation after their first year, they can directly enroll for CA intermediate. If you are doing your CA after your first year, second year, then you can directly appear for the second level exam, that is intermediate. Time period of intern of what? I'm not getting a question. You're welcome, Nandika. So guys, the last date is 31st December. Those who want to appear in Foundation 2022, please enroll yourself, register yourself before 31st December. Then, now you have to get an additional paper. Now there are 2 additional subjects in Foundation in the syllabus, and those are General English, that will be of 40 marks, and Business and Commercial Knowledge, that will be of 40 marks. Yes, guys, when I have done my class 12th, I started preparing for foundation before my college. So मेरा जो CPT था, I qualified CPT before my college days. तो मेरा CPT पहले हो गया था, उसके बाद मैं college गई थी. And at that time, I wasn't aware of CA, I wasn't aware of CPT, और मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था direct entry होती है. So I qualified CA at that time. And then I later came to know that we can also have a direct entry by doing graduation. But I think that if you are preparing for foundation, you are preparing your foundation for further levels. Foundation is actually preparing your foundation, आपकी नींव strong होगी, because you are learning all those basics in a very clear manner. If you are directly appearing for the intermediate through college, then in college we are not that serious regarding studies. So your basics will not be strong and you will not be able to clear intermediate in first group according to me. Chances अलग है, अगर आप अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो कर सकते हो, लेकिन if you are going through the proper channel, if you are appearing for foundation and then intermediate, so you will be having the proper knowledge. So I prefer to give foundation. ACCA is definitely best, Niharika. So these are the changes that are made from CPT to foundation. Now Now, what is the syllabus of CA Foundation? What are the subjects that will be coming in CA Foundation? So there are mainly 4 papers in CA Foundation. There are 4 papers of 100 marks. So here you can see the syllabus. The first paper that will be of 100 marks is accounting. तो पहला पेपर होता है अकाउंट्स का. इन दिस योर 11th and 12th accounts will be mixed. They will be asking you journal entries, shares, depreciation, everything. The second paper is business law and business correspondence. So in this, law is a totally new subject for all of you, and then we have business correspondence and reporting, in which you may find some of the similar topics. So business law, that is of 60 marks, is entirely new subject for you. So I prefer that whenever you are preparing for foundation, get a good coaching, because if you are doing it yourself, you may not be able to understand everything. Because if you are reading it yourself, if you are preparing it yourself, then it will take so much time. You don't know what topic is important, which topic you have to do, which topic you have to leave. But if you are going to coaching, in less time they will be giving you more knowledge. Right now we are not having any courses for CA preparation, guys. No, I enjoyed business law. It is all about our surroundings. You are going to learn so many terms in law. So I always enjoy law. Then the third paper will be business mathematics, logical reasoning, and statistics. In this third paper, there are 3 parts. Mathematics, 40 marks. Logical reasoning, 20 marks. Statistic, 40 marks. Now you have again done statistic and mathematics. Maths is there in 11th and 12th. Statistics is there in class 11th, economics. So again this is your 11th and 12th syllabus. तो आपका बहुत सारा syllabus 11th and 12th का ही आने वाला है. And the last paper is business economics and business and commercial knowledge. So this will be economics. You have done economics in class 11th and 12th. Some of the topics will be exactly same, like law of demand, but some of the topics will be new. And there will be business and commercial knowledge that will be new for you. Yes, logical reasoning नया होता है, but you can do it on your own also. Logical reasoning में इतने tough questions नहीं आते. It is similar to maths. So these are the 4 papers that will be of 100 marks each. So your entire CA foundation will be of 400 marks. And to clear foundation, you have to score at least 40% in each paper and 50% of the aggregate. So you have to score at least 40%, 40 in each paper, and aggregate should be 50%. तो मतलब अगर आप हर पेपर में भी 40 नंबर ला रहे हो ना, 40, 40, 40, 40, that will be 160. But you have to score 200 in total to pass this exam. And you should be good in all the subjects, because you have to score at least 40% in each paper. What happened, Amrita? I'm not focusing on comments right now because I was focusing on the syllabus, guys. Okay, you were having it in applied mathematics. Okay, Akriti. What happened, Amrita? So as you all can see, almost the full syllabus of 11th and 12th will be coming in your CA foundation. So even if you are doing foundation after your class 12th or you're in your class 12th, it will be good. In class 11th, my opinion is you should focus on your basics, because we are coming from class 10 to 11th and all these subjects are totally new for us: economics, accounts, business. So in class 11th, you should feel comfortable with the subject. You should make yourself comfortable. So you should first grab the basic. You should first understand the basics in class 11th, and once you get comfortable with those subjects in class 12th, you can start preparing for CA. But in class 11th, if you will directly start preparing for CA, that will be a little hard for you, because the topics and chapters will be totally new for you. If you are not taking maths in 11th and 12th, then CA will become again tough for you, because mathematics is going to be there in CA. So those who are not doing it right now, अभी तो बच जाओगे, लेकिन बाद में नहीं बच पाओगे. बाद में तो करनी पड़ेगी. So it's better to do it now, because right now you have enough time. But at your CA, when you will be doing CA, you will be having college, you will be having CA. So it will be difficult for you at that time. Business studies आया ना बेटा? Business correspondence and reporting, business and commercial knowledge. You have to go to the website of ICAI. Kumkum. If you have doubts related to academic part, Amrita, sorry, you can't ask it right now, because we are doing something other than that. If you have any doubt related to the CA part, then you can ask it. Now, how did I cracked my CA foundation in first attempt? So I will be telling you some of the points that helped me, and that will help you as well. So please pay attention. What are the things that you have to keep in mind while preparing for CA, while choosing CA as your profession, as your career? तो कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं जो हमें ध्यान रखनी है अगर आप लोग भी CA करना चाहते हैं तो? Kunal, we have already covered MBA in one of our video. You can check out our channel and you will find one video that will help you. Last year we have prepared a similar video. Kunal. Niharika, you have to check out their website on daily basis. They keep on updating all the required information, all the updates on the website ICAI. So those who want resources, those who want information about all the updates of CA, you can go and check out their website. So the first thing is make your fundamentals strong. Your foundation should be strong, guys. And that's why I say when you are doing 11th, your focus should be on your class 11th only. Because all the basics, whether it is accounts, economics or business studies, all the basics are taught in class 11th. And if you are enjoying during that time, you will leave, you will not be able to understand those fundamentals, those basics, and your foundation will become weak. तो अगर आपको CA करनी है, your foundation, your fundamentals should be very strong. I'll show you that at the end of the session, Niharika. It is icai.org.in maybe. You have to just type ICAI and the first website will be theirs website. For this CA preparation, you need not read any business newspaper. You have to only focus on the study material that is provided by ICAI itself. All the resources will be provided by ICI, so you need not purchase any other resource by your own. Whenever you register yourself for ICI, they provide you study material in few days. Yes, Amrita, if you have learned the chapters of microeconomics or accountancy, you can do it your own from the CA module, from the CA study material. But they may be a little advanced, they may be little different what you have learned in class 11th and 12th. So you may require some guidance of teachers at that time. Because CA is a different level and 11th and 12th is a different level. The syllabus is same, but there will be some difference. Now guys, there is no option for CA without maths. It's only class 11th and 12th without maths. In college, in CA, it is compulsory. So whenever you are going for graduation, whatever course you are pursuing, whether it is BCom, BBA, maths is compulsory. So आप अभी तो मैथ्स से बच गए हो जिन्होंने मैथ्स नहीं ली, but after your class 12th, it is compulsory. You have to do that anyhow. So this was my first point, that you have to work on your fundamentals. The accounting principles, the journal entries, ledger, they should be very strong. Whatever chapters are there in class 11th na, all those are way too important. चाहे वो जर्नल हो, लेजर हो, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट हो, डेप्रीसिएशन हो, सारे के सारे चैप्टर्स आपके फाउंडेशन में एज इट इज आएंगे. तो चाहे सीए कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे या नहीं करनी, तब भी आपको ये चैप्टर्स अच्छे से आने चाहिए. बिकॉज यू नो इट और यू डोंट, these chapters will be also coming in your college first year. अगर आप BBA, BCom जो भी करोगे, कॉलेज के फर्स्ट ईयर में भी अकाउंट्स का तो सेम सिलेबस रहने वाला है. So make your fundamentals strong if you want to have a good career. Mamta, I don't think that it will be easy to prepare without any coaching. Because I have experienced how the coaching helps us in a better preparation. Thank you, Astha. Now, the second point is learn through real life examples. I don't know whether you have learned those basic accounting terms from me or not. Whenever I explain the term debtor, creditor, owner, I always take a real life example. So whenever you are understanding any concept, try to understand it through your surrounding, through your real life example. Because if you are doing so, then that will help you to remember that topic for a long time. If you are just cramming the topic, next day you will forget all about it. But if you are understanding it logically through real life example, then you are able to understand it forever. So always connect everything with your surrounding, with your real life example. This was my second thing that will help you. So whenever you all are going to do CA foundation, make sure you are understanding the concepts and you are not mugging up, you are not cramming those concepts. Okay. So, if I sell my car after 5 years, how much amount will I get? This is related to depreciation. So, whenever you are doing any chapter like depreciation or any other chapter, then do connect it through same example. Kunal, both are best at their places. CA and MBA, there is no comparison because they both are best at their places. It depends on you what you are good at. If you are good at competitive studies like mathematics, science, history, newspaper reading, English, then you should go for MBA. But if you are good at accountancy, business studies, economics, you should go for CA. So they both are totally opposite. What is articleship? So for a few time you have to go under training of a CA. So in articleship, it is actually a training. In that you are learning the practical work. You are getting the practical exposure, what you have to do when you are doing to go job. So that is practical learning. Then coming on to the third point. Third point is understand the topics logically and don't cram it, don't mug up. कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट समझ रहे हो, कोई सा भी कॉन्सेप्ट हो, अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा, then ask your teachers. They will help you with that concept, but don't cram it. Because if you are cramming it, it will help you today, but after few days, it will got vanished. So understand the logic. Yes, a non-commerce student can also clear CA, but you have to take coaching for that, because if you are coming from a non-commerce background, then you don't know what is accounts, what is economics, what is business studies. You know nothing about the basics, so you have to go for coaching, and through that you will be able to crack it definitely. I know some of the students who were from non-CA, non-commerce background, and they are CA right now. I am eligible for my articleship. I can do it, but the articleship is for whole day, from morning 9 a.m. to night 9 p.m. So I am teaching you guys right now, and I don't have time for articleship. So I have to do my articleship right now. I am on my articleship stage, but I am not doing it right now. I will be doing it later on. Thank you, Amrita. Thank you so much. This means world to me. बेटा आस्था, जब कोचिंग वाले पढ़ाते हैं तो कोचिंग वाले सबको ही इक्वल मानते हैं, बट हाँ थोड़ी दिक्कत तो आएगी नॉन कॉमर्स वाले स्टूडेंट को, क्योंकि अगर आप कोचिंग जा रहे हो दे विल टीच यू फ्रॉम बेसिक्स. तो बेसिक्स सबको समझ आएगा. जो कॉमर्स वाला स्टूडेंट है उसको भी बेसिक समझ आएगा, नॉन कॉमर्स वाला है उसको भी समझ आएगा, लेकिन उसको थोड़ी दिक्कत आएगी. कॉमर्स वाले को आराम से आ जाएगा, नॉन कॉमर्स वाले को थोड़ी दिक्कत आएगी, लेकिन आ जाएगा. They have to tell their teachers that I am from science background, तो टीचर उन पे थोड़ा ज्यादा ध्यान देगा. 3-month coaching, yes guys, 3 to 4 month coaching is enough for foundation. After that you have to just revise the topics yourself. तो सिलेबस 3-4 महीने का ही होता है, लेकिन उसके बाद आपको रिवीजन करनी पड़ती है, बिकॉज टॉपिक्स विदाउट रिवीजन इज जीरो. विदाउट रिवीजन एवरीथिंग इज जीरो. Okay, so understand the logics and understand the concept through real life example, and don't cram it, don't mug it up. Then the fourth point is practice and practice. So self study is very important. So when you are going to coaching, it will be of hardly 4 hours a day. Coaching will be hardly a 4 hours a day, but according to the researches, for CA, it is compulsory to study for at least 10 to 12 hours. If you are in foundation, you should study for at least 10 to 12 hours. So for the remaining 6 to 7 hours, you have to practice. Whatever is covered in the coaching, revise it same day. Do the practical question from study material, from modules, and make sure that the topic is all good to go. It is clear to you. So revision, practice, self study, these are the three main keys to the CA. And self study is always important. अगर आप सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हो ना, यू कैन इजिली मेक इट इन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, यू कैन इजिली क्रैक इट इन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. बट इफ यू थिंक कि चल आज कोचिंग में ये कराया, मुझे समझ आ गया, सब कुछ आ गया, अगर आप घर आके पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे, देन सोचना भी मत कि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में सीए निकल जाएगा. जो कहते हैं सीए टफ है, वो इसलिए कहते हैं कि वो खुद की कोशिश नहीं करते. टीचर आपको सिर्फ पढ़ा सकता है एंड यू हैव टू मेक दैट टॉपिक स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय योरसेल्फ. टीचर ने आपको वहां समझा दिया, आपको समझ आ गया, लेकिन आप जब खुद से पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे, खुद से रिवाइज नहीं करोगे, तब तक कुछ नहीं होगा. तो अगर आपको फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में सीए करना है तो सेल्फ स्टडी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कोचिंग वाले आपको आपके असाइनमेंट्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे, दे विल conduct test. Make sure you are attempting all the tests, you are completing all those assignments. 10 to 12 hours, yes, that is the minimum I have told you. So 10 से 12 घंटे के लिए पढ़ने के लिए तैयार हो जाना अगर सीए कर रहे हो बेटा, बिकॉज 4 घंटे की कोचिंग, उसके बाद आप स्कूल का भी पढ़ोगे, थोड़ा बहुत कॉलेज का भी पढ़ोगे, और 4 घंटे सेल्फ स्टडी, 1 घंटा एक सब्जेक्ट का मान के चलो. And once you entering this profession, you have to disconnect yourself from the social media, from the outside world. अभी मैम आर्टिकलशिप के लिए नहीं जा रही ना, आज था. You should be passionate, Amrita. So practice and practice, guys. Case study is a case study. क्यों कह रही है? Self study is very important. How many hours did you study in CA? So when I was preparing in CA, there were so many nights जहाँ पे मैं सोती नहीं थी, रातें निकल जाती थी. मतलब I used to start studying from 11 p.m. and I used to keep studying till 6 a.m., 7 a.m. and then I used to go for my coaching 9 a.m. and I used to go for my exams. So there were so many sleepless nights and you should be ready for that, because hard work is everything. Level, Manas, it all depends on your preparation. If you are prepared, according to you, the level will be easy, but if you are not prepared, it will be hard. So it all depends on a student's preparation. Thank you, Amrita. Why CA is preferred over CMA and CS? Because a CA can do multiple tasks as compared to CMA and CS. And once I also decided that I will do CA, I will do CS instead of CA. So I told my parents that I want to do CS, I will quit CA, but they didn't allow me. And I don't know that whether you guys know it or not. I never wanted to become a CA. When I was in class 12th, I wanted to become a journalist. From my class 7th, it was my dream to become a journalist. So when I came to class 12th, I told my parents that I want to become a journalist, but they didn't allow me. They said कि जर्नलिस्ट में कभी कभी सुबह जाना पड़ता है, कभी रात जाना पड़ता है, हम तो अलाउ नहीं करेंगे, एंड यू शुड गो फॉर सीपीटी. एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट इज दैट. मेरे को पता भी नहीं था कि सीपीटी होता क्या उस टाइम पे. सो दे टोल्ड मी कि ऐसे ऐसे सीए प्रोफेशन होता है, अच्छा खासा पैसा होता है, एक साइन करने के पैसे मिलते हैं. मैं कहा चलो घर वाले कह रहे हैं तो कर लेते हैं. That's why I started that's how my CA journey started. But whenever I enter into something ना, I want to crack it. ऐसा नहीं है कि चल पेरेंट्स ने बोला है तो मस्ती में कर लेते हैं. At that time also I was so serious. I used to do CA, I used to do my self study and all. मेरे टीचर्स को लगता नहीं है, मेरी शक्ल को देख के मेरे टीचर्स को पता नहीं क्यों नहीं लगता था कि मैं पढ़ाई करूंगी. So they always used to challenge me by saying that it is not a cup of your tea, you can't do it. And that inspired me. In intermediate also, I have got these comments that you can't do it, you should not fill the examination form. But I have took that as a challenge, and I qualified my intermediate and foundation in first attempt, and that I think was the best reply to those people. So there will be so many hurdles in your journey. People will try to stop you, but always remember that no one knows what is your capability. Only you should have the right to judge you. Only you know what you can do. So first ask yourself that whether you can do it or not. And if you are ready for that, if you really want to do that, then go for it and you will be able to do that. जिस बारे में आप जानते भी नहीं थे, उसके वही ना, डेटर्मिनेशन पे सबसे ज्यादा डिपेंड करता है. अगर आप किसी चीज को शिद्दत से पाने की कोशिश करते हो ना, तो कायनात भी उसको आपसे मिलाने की कोशिश करती है. बेटा अगर आप कॉन्टिन्यूस रहोगे तो हार्डली 5 to 6 years, क्योंकि सीपीटी में आपको 6-9 महीने लगते हैं, 6 to 9 months. Then after few months break, after hardly 1 month break, you can start preparing for intermediate. You can crack intermediate in at same time both the groups, or you can crack it in different attempt. So अगर आप साथ में करते जाओगे back to back, you will go on appearing in the exam. Then it is of 5 to 6 years. Okay, Asa. Now coming on to the practice makes man perfect. तो अगर कोई भी सब्जेक्ट आपको टफ लगता है, सो उससे हार नहीं माननी कि हमसे नहीं हो रहा, ऐसे नहीं कहना. Do practice and that topic will become easy for you. Don't give up. Coming on to the fifth point. Whenever you are doing practical questions, make sure that you do theory first. So doing theory will make the practical questions easy for you, because most of the students, they just skip the theory part and come to the practical part directly. But theory is as important as the practical questions. Aniket, you can start your articleship after group 1. Once you qualify your group 1, you are eligible for your CA articleship. So understand the theory first and then start solving the questions. Now, if you guys are facing any of the problems, if you are having doubts, you are having no concept clarity, which is very important for CA. If concepts are not clear to you, then you have to make them clear. If you want to practice, if you are lagging behind in your syllabus, or you want a revision plan, then you all can join my live and interactive classes. You can join my batch of term 2. So our term 2 batches are live now, and I will be teaching you accountancy in this batch. So what you have to do is you have to go to the link that is provided in the description box below. So let me show you. This is YouTube, and on the right hand side you can see the description box. So in this you can see this. You can download our Vedantu free app here. This is the link, and the link for term 1 and term 2 is not provided in this, but if you will go to some other class, let me check it out. Yeah. So, 1 minute. Yeah. This is the description box, and here you can see the link for CBSE Commerce term 1, term 2. So in description box, you will find the link for term 2. You have to click on this link, and when you come on our website, you have to scroll down. So from here, you can take our courses. Either you can take Pro Light courses or you can take Pro Classic. Now, what's the difference between both? In Pro Light, you will be getting live interactive online classes. You will be getting test series and analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving during class. But if you want to ask doubts on the mobile app after the classes, then you have to take Pro Classic. So these are the prices and you will save flat 10% if you will use my code. So you all can use my code SCPRO if you want to get flat 10% discount. So use my code for flat 10% discount. No, Amrita, I didn't appear for group 1 and group 2 at same time. I appeared at different time. So now let me show you a glimpse of our live classes. This is the class that I have conducted today on financial statement, a most important chapter. So I took a class on this chapter today. Let me show you that. Good evening, Chaitanya. Hi, Aditi. Hi, Antariksh. So, hi, trading account in brief. We will learn how to prepare trading account. Sole proprietorship. The steps that we follow to record the abilities do you have? There is admin office in schools. No, cash flow statement is in class 12. It is not there in class 11. It is financial statement of company Kailash. Cash flow statement come under financial statement. Coming on to the quiz time. And the first question is, Dash is a business organization which is owned and run by a single. So this is how the classes are conducted at Vedantu Pro. There are about 170 students in one batch, and that is so much amazing because you will be getting so much student with whom you can compete. So you can join our live and interactive classes. You can join my batches by visiting the link given in the description box below. And you can use my code to grab all the courses at flat 10% discount. I always find accounts as the easiest subject, Amrita. Accounts and law was easy for me. ऐसा बेटा कॉम्बिनेशन आता है, कुछ क्वेश्चंस एमसीक्यू बेस्ड होते हैं, कुछ डिस्क्रिप्टिव होते हैं, तो लॉ इज कंप्लीटली थ्योरेटिकल, बट अकाउंट्स एंड अदर सब्जेक्ट दे आर प्रैक्टिकल. सो लॉ तो कंप्लीटली थ्योरेटिकल होगा, बाकी सब्जेक्ट प्रैक्टिकल होंगे. वेल डन Manas. So start working hard and you will be able to achieve your dream. Yes, you can do CA, CMA simultaneously. You can absolutely do that. Maths is only required at foundation level. It is not there in intermediate. Uttaman, you have to register yourself now and the exam will be conducted, foundation will be conducted in May 2022. It is only conducted twice in a year, one in May and another is November. All the best, Manash. I wish you best of luck and I will be getting good news after few days, huh? Okay, tough. Maths was the most tough subject for me in CA. I don't like maths. So, the last point is make proper notes for revision. Whether you are doing 11th, 12th or CA, make proper notes. I have prepared this much thick notebooks for my CA. For every subject, law, accounts, business, I have prepared register. इतने मोटे मोटे register बनाए थे, and I still have those notes because they help me in revising my basics. So always make your notes and keep them with you forever. मैं अपनी बुक्स बेच दूंगी, लेकिन मैं अपनी नोट्स कभी नहीं बेचती. मेरे अभी तक 11th and 12th के नोट्स भी मेरे पास है. I still have my 11th and 12th notes with me. So keep your notes always with you. They will help you throughout your life. And make notes, guys. Proper notes, clean and neat and clean notes. बिल्कुल मानस, जब आप दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में जाओगे तो दिल्ली में ही रहोगे. मैं दिल्ली आ जाऊंगी मिलने आपसे, डोंट वरी. बस इंस्टाग्राम पे टेक्स्ट कर देना, मैम फाउंडेशन क्लियर हो गया. So with this, the session is over, guys. So these were some points, and the main point was self study. So self study बहुत जरूरी है. खुद से पढ़ाई करना, खुद का जोश होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि जब तक आप खुद से नहीं करोगे तो कोई भी आपकी हेल्प नहीं कर पाएगा. Okay, Mamta. Done, Manas. So, the preparation will become so easy for you if you are learning accountancy with me. I will make preparation so easy for you. I promise that. If you are learning accountancy concept with me, then the concept will be clear for easy for you and it will be clear to you. बाकियों का पता नहीं, बाकी टीचर्स की मैं गारंटी नहीं ले सकती, but if you are learning the concept from Vedantu Commerce, then definitely you are going to crack foundation with ease, because we make sure that all the concepts are clear to you, all the logics are clear to you. So now prepare CA topics with us in class 11th and 12th, because at Vedantu Pro, we are conducting live online quizzes with high level quizzes. So if you are having classes with us at Vedantu Pro, so we are preparing you for your CA foundation right now with high level quizzes. Arey wah. Well done, Kumkum. So those who are coming to Delhi University, those who want to get, once you get the admission in due, please text me and I would like to meet you all. So you have to give your best in 11th and 12th. Always remember, your basics should be clear to you. So give your best right now, and trust me, your foundation will become so easy for you if your 11th and 12th topics are understood to you. अगर 11th and 12th के topics समझ आ गए ना, your 50% of foundation syllabus is done right now and you will be able to crack it with ease. Yes, beta, I am also from Delhi University. My dream was also to go Delhi University. CA का ड्रीम नहीं था, लेकिन दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का था. When I was a teenager, I used to see Facebook profiles of different people where it was written ki from Delhi University, from Delhi University. So from there, by watching their profiles, I got inspired to get admission in due, and I gave my best in 11th and 12th, and I was able to make it. Well done, Dhriti, and congratulations, and you're welcome. Not SRCC, I was from Mata Sundari College. You are from Bihar and don't know that's where, what's that very special about. Every university is good, but each university has its own preferences. Maybe it is more preferred, that's why it is special. Now, if you want to score 100 out of 100, if you want to study for your CA Foundation Accountancy from right now, then you all can join our live and interactive classes of Vedantu Pro, where we will be conducting live online classes for you. We will be covering the entire syllabus with logics, with examples. We will be providing you handwritten notes after every class. Also, we will be clearing all your doubts instantly. And not only this, we will also provide you topic-wise assignments. We will conduct mock tests. And along with this, we will provide you thousands of courses for absolutely free. So Vedantu Pro is the right platform for you as we are preparing you right now for the CA Foundation for CMA and CS, because we are having high level quizzes, we are conducting time to time tests. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you want to give your best in class 12, in CA, in CS, then go and enroll yourself now for our term 2 batches at flat 10% discount. So when you will go to our website, you will this page will appear, this type of page will appear, and then you have to click on apply code. At the bottom of the screen you can see apply code. So you can use my code, that is SC Pro. So if you will use my code, you will get flat 10% discount on all the courses. For foundation, I have studied for only 2 months. Because my class 12th exams got over on 31st March. So I had April, May and 10 days of June. Because my exam was on 19th of June. So I had only 2 months for the CA Foundation preparation. So April, May and 10 days of June, I got 2 months and 10 days. So we did it, guys, and finally these were some points that will help you in cracking your CA Foundation in first attempt. So get ready now, and always remember that the concepts are very important. So make sure your 11th and 12th, all the concepts are clear to you and you are giving your best. Because if you want to get admission in Delhi University or any other university, your marks matter. And for good marks, you have to do hard work. So now I will see you all tomorrow with another session with class 11th endorsement of bill. तो कल मिलेंगे एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, bills of exchange, endorsement of bill. Till then, stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today, for giving me your valuable time. Now we'll see you all tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, good night, have sweet dreams and take care.